Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering issues while using your Nike gift card, you're not alone. Whether it's a gift card not working, invalid code, or other errors, we've got you covered. Let's walk through some simple steps to troubleshoot and fix common Nike gift card errors. 1. Double-check the card details. The most common issue with Nike gift cards is entering the wrong information. Solution: make sure you're entering the correct card number, PIN code, and any other required details. Double-check that there are no typos, spaces, or missing digits. Ensure you're entering the card details exactly as they appear on the physical or digital card. 2. Verify the gift card balance. If the balance on your Nike gift card is lower than your purchase total, it will not work. Solution: visit Nike's official website and log into your Nike account. Check the balance of your gift card by entering the card number and PIN during checkout, or check the balance via the Nike app. Ensure you have enough funds on your card for the purchase. 3. Check expiration date. Nike gift cards may expire, and this could be causing the error. Solution: confirm that your gift card hasn't expired. If you're unsure, check the back of the physical card or the email you received for any expiration date details. If your gift card is expired, contact Nike customer support for assistance or to see if a replacement can be issued. 4. Ensure the gift card is activated. Sometimes, the card may not have been activated correctly at the time of purchase. Solution: if you bought the card at a store, return to the store where it was purchased and ask them to check if the card was activated properly. If it's a digital card, check with Nike customer service to verify the card's activation status. 5. Clear your browser cache. If you're using a web browser to shop on Nike, a corrupted cache or cookies could interfere with your payment process. Solution: clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try using the gift card again. If you're on mobile, try restarting your app or reinstalling it. 6. Try a different payment method. If your Nike gift card is still not working, it may be related to your payment method. Solution: try using the gift card on its own rather than combining it with other payment methods. This can sometimes resolve errors. If combining methods, make sure that the gift card is entered correctly as the primary payment method. 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it may block your gift card transaction. Solution: disable any VPN or proxy on your device and try the transaction again. Try accessing Nike's website or app directly without any location-altering software. 8. Check for regional restrictions. Some Nike gift cards might only work in specific regions or countries. Solution: ensure that your gift card is valid in your region or country. If you're purchasing from a different country, make sure the card is compatible with international transactions. 9. Contact Nike support. If none of the above solutions work, the issue may be on Nike's end. Solution: contact Nike customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem or investigate any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most common Nike gift card errors and get back to shopping. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and solutions.